Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone in iOS 18.1. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off location service. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, tap on privacy and security. On the security page, tap location service. Turn off location service. Solution number 2. Check iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Enable low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, tap on battery. On the battery page, enable low power mode. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone X, XS, XS Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 12, 12 Pro and later model. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Thanks for watching this video.